Good morning.
We are the housekeeper for today. I am Ace Gapusan.
I'm Rajan Ighara.
I'm Marvin Correa.
We are going to present to you the proper procedure of floor polisher.
Materials are needed.
Materials needed are floor polisher, mop, hand gloves, steel wool, caution sign, soap broom, dustpan, wax. Step number 1. Wear your gloves. Step number 2. Install a caution sign labeled "Caution Wet Floor." Place it in such a way that can be easily seen. Step number 2. Mop the floor. We use damp mop. Start from the corner to make sure that no portion is let out. Step number 3. Apply wax to the floor. Apply wax direct to the mop. Then mop the floor. After applying wax to the floor, let the wax for 10 to 15 minutes. Fourth step. After 15 minutes, polish the floor.